What is the 50/30/20th rule?
The 50-30-20 rule is a simple budgeting guideline to help you manage your money. It suggests dividing your after-tax income into 3 main categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or paying off debt. This approach makes it easy to see where your money goes and supports healthy financial habits.
How do you apply the rule to your budget?
Start by calculating your monthly after-tax income. Then set aside 50% for essential expenses like rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Use 30% for non-essential wants, such as dining out, hobbies, and entertainment. Allocate the remaining 20% to savings, investments, or reducing debt. Adjust your spending as needed to fit these percentages.
What counts as needs, wants, and savings?
Needs include necessities: shelter, food, insurance, minimum loan payments, and basic utilities. Wants are things you enjoy but can live without: vacations, subscriptions, nights out, or trendy clothes. Savings and debt repayment cover contributions to your savings account, retirement fund, emergency fund, and any extra payments toward debts beyond the minimum required.
Is the 50/30/20th rule right for everyone?
The 50-30-20 rule is a helpful starting point for most people, but it may not work perfectly for every situation. If you have high living costs or special financial goals, you may need to adjust the percentages. The key is to be flexible while still prioritizing needs, limiting wants, and consistently saving or paying down debt.
What are the benefits and limitations?
The main benefit of the 50-30-20 rule is its simplicity. It's easy to understand and use. It encourages balanced spending, savings, and debt reduction. However, it may not account for unique circumstances like irregular incomes or unexpected expenses. Use it as a guide, but don't be afraid to tailor it to fit your financial situation.